Welcome to our Biz Mastery channel. Let's start the video with Jack Ma. One of the most inspiring entrepreneurs in the world once said that opportunities lie where people see problems. In today's digital era, one of the most exciting opportunities for new entrepreneurs is the dropshipping business model. Dropshipping has become a popular online business idea because it allows people to start an e-commerce store without holding inventory or investing large amounts of money. This means you don't need a warehouse, and you don't have to worry about packing and shipping products yourself. Instead, when a customer places an order in your online store, the order is automatically sent to a supplier who ships the product directly to the customer. This simple yet powerful concept has opened the door for thousands of new online entrepreneurs around the world. Anyone with a laptop, internet connection, and a strong idea can start building a profitable online store. Platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and other e-commerce tools have made the process easier than ever before. With just a few clicks, you can create a professional store and start selling products globally. The most important step in dropshipping is choosing the right niche. A niche is a specific category of products that focuses on a particular audience. For example, instead of selling random items, you might focus on fitness products, pet accessories, home decor, beauty tools, or smart gadgets. Successful dropshippers spend time researching trending products and understanding customer needs. They also focus on branding and customer experience because competition in e-commerce is increasing every day. Building trust with customers through good product descriptions, attractive website design, and fast customer service can make a huge difference. Marketing also plays a key role in dropshipping success. Many entrepreneurs use social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook to promote their products through short videos and advertisements. Another reason why dropshipping is attractive is its flexibility. You can run your business from anywhere in the world. Whether you are a student, freelancer, or someone looking for a side income, dropshipping can be a great starting point for entering the world of online business. However, success does not happen overnight. It requires patience, testing different products, learning digital marketing, and constantly improving your strategy. In the next parts of this video, we will explore some powerful dropshipping business ideas and strategies that can help you start your own successful online store and move one step closer to financial independence. Choosing a profitable dropshipping niche. After understanding the basic concept of dropshipping, the next important step is choosing a profitable niche. Many beginners make the mistake of selling random products without any clear focus. However, successful entrepreneurs know that focusing on a specific audience increases the chances of building a strong brand and loyal customers. A niche simply means a specific category of products targeted at a certain group of people. For example, instead of selling general products, you might focus on pet lovers, fitness enthusiasts, tech gadget fans, or home decoration buyers. One of the best ways to find a profitable niche is by studying market demand. Look for products that solve real problems or make life easier. People are always willing to buy products that save time, improve comfort, or enhance their lifestyle. For instance, smart home gadgets, kitchen tools, portable fitness equipment, and beauty products often perform very well in dropshipping stores. Another important factor is emotional buying. Products related to pets, hobbies, and personal care often sell better because customers feel emotionally connected to them. Research is extremely important in this stage. You can explore trending product platforms, social media advertisements, and online marketplaces to see what products are currently popular. Observe what kind of products are going viral on short video platforms because viral products can generate huge sales in a short period of time. But remember, trends change quickly, so it is always better to combine trending products with long-term demand. Competition is another thing to analyze carefully. If a niche is extremely saturated, it may be difficult for beginners to compete. However, this does not mean you should avoid competition completely. Instead, find ways to differentiate your store. You can do this through better branding, unique product bundles, or excellent customer service. Finally, always choose a niche that interests you personally. When you are interested in your niche, it becomes easier to create marketing content, understand your customers, and stay motivated. Passion combined with smart research can create a powerful foundation for a successful dropshipping business. Finding reliable suppliers approximately equals Once you have chosen your niche and products, the next step in building a successful dropshipping business is finding reliable suppliers. Your supplier plays a crucial role because they are responsible for product quality, packaging, and shipping. If your supplier provides poor service, it can damage your store's reputation and lead to unhappy customers. Many dropshipping beginners start by using global supplier marketplaces. These platforms connect online store owners with manufacturers and wholesalers who are ready to ship products directly to customers. The advantage of using these suppliers is that they usually offer a wide variety of products and allow you to start selling without buying inventory in advance. However, choosing a supplier should never be done quickly. You must carefully check several factors before deciding to work with them. First, analyze product quality. Read reviews from other buyers and check product ratings. If possible, order a sample product yourself so you can evaluate the packaging and quality before selling it to customers. Second, shipping speed is extremely important in e-commerce. Customers today expect fast delivery, and long shipping times may lead to refunds or complaints. Therefore, choose suppliers who provide reliable shipping methods and clear tracking information. Communication is another key factor. A professional supplier should respond quickly and provide clear answers to your questions. Good communication helps avoid misunderstandings and ensures smooth order fulfillment. Another important tip is to work with more than one supplier whenever possible. Having backup suppliers ensures that if one supplier runs out of stock, you can still fulfill customer orders without delays. A reliable supplier is the backbone of your dropshipping business. When you partner with trustworthy suppliers, you build a strong foundation that supports customer satisfaction and long-term growth. Marketing and growing your dropshipping store approximately equals. Even the best products will not sell if people do not know about them. That is why marketing is one of the most important parts of a successful dropshipping business. Marketing helps you bring visitors to your store and convert them into paying customers. Today, social media platforms have become powerful marketing tools. Short video content has especially changed the way products are promoted online. Entrepreneurs often create engaging videos demonstrating how their products work, highlighting benefits, and showing real-life use cases. These videos can quickly attract attention and drive traffic to an online store. Paid advertising is another popular strategy. Many online store owners use targeted advertisements to reach people who are likely to be interested in their products. The advantage of digital advertising is that you can choose your audience based on age, interests, and location. This allows you to promote your products directly to potential buyers. Another powerful marketing strategy is influencer collaboration. Influencers already have audiences who trust their opinions. When an influencer reviews or demonstrates a product, their followers are more likely to consider buying it. This strategy can quickly increase brand awareness and generate sales. Email marketing is also a valuable tool for building long-term relationships with customers. When someone visits your store or makes a purchase, you can collect their email address and send them updates about new products, discounts, and special offers. Successful marketing is not about spending huge amounts of money. Instead, it is about creativity, testing different strategies, and understanding what works best for your audience. Part 5: Long-term success and scaling the business. Building a dropshipping store is only the beginning. The real goal of every entrepreneur is to grow the business and create long-term success. Once your store starts generating consistent sales, you can focus on scaling your operations and increasing profits. One of the best ways to grow your business is by improving your brand identity. Instead of being just another online store, aim to build a recognizable brand that customers trust. This can be achieved through professional website design, consistent product packaging, and excellent customer service. Customer experience should always be a top priority. Happy customers often return to buy again and recommend your store to others. Responding quickly to questions, resolving issues politely, and ensuring smooth delivery can significantly improve your brand reputation. Another important step in scaling your business is analyzing data. Track which products are selling the most, which advertisements bring the best results, and which marketing channels generate the highest traffic. Data helps you make smarter decisions and focus your efforts on strategies that produce the best outcomes. As your store grows, you may also expand your product range. Introducing complementary products within your niche can increase the average order value and attract new customers. Finally, remember that every successful entrepreneur faces challenges along the way. There may be failed products, slow sales periods, or marketing experiments that do not work. However, persistence and continuous learning are the keys to long-term success. Dropshipping is not just an online business model, it is a gateway into the world of digital entrepreneurship. With dedication, smart strategy, and consistent effort, anyone can transform a small online store into a thriving global business.